Want to permanently close your Twilio account? Here's what you need to do as of December 3rd, 2025. First, understand the difference between projects and your main account. Deleting a project only removes the resources within it, like phone numbers and apps. To fully close your account, you need to delete all projects. Go to Console Projects, Delete to do this for each one. Next, ensure your billing balance is zero, including any prorated charges for the current month. You can find this information in your billing dashboard. Since a data breach in 2024, Twilio now requires two-factor authentication, 2FA, and a 30-day cooling-off period to prevent fraud. So secure your account and be prepared for this wait. Finally, submit a formal deletion request through the dedicated portal in the Twilio console. Twilio will confirm the deletion via email. Remember that closure is irreversible, so back up any important data beforehand using API exports. Before you permanently close your Twilio account, there are a few key things to consider. First, closing your account will affect any integrations you have, causing webhooks to fail. Also, Twilio retains some metadata for legal reasons, even after closure. If you have a multi-user account, make sure all admins agree to the closure. Keep an eye on your billing for any outstanding balances, as unpaid bills will prevent closure. Twilio's pricing increased by 15% in 2024 due to inflation, leading some users to migrate to cheaper alternatives. Due to increased privacy laws post-2024, Twilio has added data portability features to ease transitions. Be aware that self-service deletion is possible for basic accounts, but enterprise users might need executive approval. Once closed, your account can't be recovered, so make sure you follow all the steps.